You know it's actually like on right. Like, we'll cut that out.
Shut up! I shook my butt in the camera in those shorts and it was rolling. At least it's not a live stream.
Word!
So I didn't separate the curls because the curls were still
No,
all
that is important.
twisted together.
Are we
Full
coiffed?
hair. We're coiffed.
We're
I don't
coiffed.
know. You can see better than I can.
I think we're coiffed.
We're off to a great start. We got this.
Hi! This is my sister Courtney, and we're going to be doing an unboxing of a mystery pack from Joce Boss Boutique. I've been following her for like a while, and I love her stuff. She's really awesome. And I ordered this mystery pack, and we're going to unbox it, and then we're gonna possibly fight over what's inside of it. So it'll be a fun time. And we definitely are not getting white girl wasted.
Yeah, this is not wine.
Totally not wine.
Not wine.
Totally not wine.
It's wine.
So this was like so well packaged, and then I walked with it in the rain to get here.
Oh.
So like it's all beat up, but that's entirely from me. Do you want to pull something out of there? It looks like there's a card maybe?
Oh yeah, card.
Haha, Joce Boss Boutique online shop. Okay, so clothes for pinups and creepy ghouls. Oh, that's so cute!
I would wear a shirt with that on it.
It's Medusa, and it says her name. I knew that was her logo, I think.
I love the bangs. It's adorable.
Yes.
What is this? It has creepy.
What are you? What are you? Okay. I think this is a tie front top.
Oh, it is. It's a crop top.
Yes. Okay.
Oh,
This is super cute.
I am into this.
This is like, this makes me, like, you remember Mr. DeWorth's, like, Halloween thing that he would set up in the front yard every year?
Yes.
That is this. Okay, this
Yes.
guy right here, though.
The dark horse or the skeleton?
No, like, the
coming out of
skeleton boy
ground?
coming out of the ground. Like, he's got so much personality.
I like this girl. She reminds me of Jamie, actually.
Yes! Oh my gosh, she looks like Jamie! Wait!
That's amazing.
No, like actually, unironically though. We should probably make reference to like things that people know, but no.
Too many inside jokes.
We're not gonna do that, sorry. Okay, I think I see black velvet. Oh, I do see black velvet. Ooh, what is this?
I think it's. Nope, I got myself more. It's a halter.
Oh, it's a halter! No, it's not like both of us know how to sew clothing and like have been wearing clothing for upwards of 2 decades.
I'm at quarantine. I'll wear less clothing now.
It's true. Quarantine ruined us. We did realize before we started filming that we both wore blue skull t-shirts with florals.
Yes.
Because we're the same person.
Mm-hmm.
There's just...
Oh my gosh, my hair's.
It's
They're
really
stuck
cute.
in the crop.
Like, it's really cute. And it's like a nice velvet, too. Like, this isn't like that cheap costume velvet. This is like...
Ooh, and it stretches so it'll stay and you won't have any. What did Janet Jackson have? What was that?
A nip slip?
Yeah. That's the word. Wardrobe malfunction?
Wardrobe malfunction.
That's
That is
what
the
I was
word.
looking for.
That is the word. That is the word. Well, I think we know who's going home with that one.
Since it's already on
Since
me.
it's like on your body. Yeah.
I mean, we have to try them on, right?
This is true. We do have to try them on. Should I try this one on?
Yes, try it on. Now, I wonder if you could wear it either way. I think it would choke you if you wore it backwards.
If you wore it
But
backwards.
tying it back would be so cute.
You know what? I'm going to try it on backwards first. Because that sounds hilarious. And I want to see if it'll work.
And then
Let me see.
Jamie will be on your boob.
Oh my gosh. Kind of. It's like really good for your posture because it like forces you to sit up straight.
It might give you a double chin though.
Yeah, double chin, but you're sitting up straight. You know, you gotta
Trade-offs.
pick and choose. So I'm like trying not to analyze the seams and think like a seamstress, but like everything so far is like it's well done. Let me see here. Yeah, no, it's definitely cuter like this.
Yes. It's a nice little push-up too.
Yeah, we need that in this family.
Oh, mine's almost gone.
Hmm?
Mine's almost gone already.
Oh my gosh! This is actually really good.
Mhm.
What is this again?
It's
Oh.
dry, bubbly vanilla.
I don't really...
And
taste
not
the
wine.
vanilla.
I don't even remember what wine I put in this. Not wine I put in this.
Okay, so like, you know when you're really little and you sniff a candle and you're like, I want to eat this. This smells so good, but then it never tastes how it smells. This tastes the way it smells. Okay.
So it tastes like a candle.
But like, no, it tastes the way
tastes
that
like
you
wish a candle would taste.
Yeah, when you're a kid and you
Okay.
try to eat a candle.
Okay. All right.
I did this.
I don't remember ever trying to eat a candle. I just remember carving in them, and Mom getting really mad. So I started carving "I love you" in the candles.
I mean, that makes it okay, right?
Yep.
Your child.
Did that.
I mean, there would be mixed feelings there because she's definitely mine.
Yeah.
But also, she would be in trouble.
Mm. Okay. Do you want
What's
to pull?
this?
The rose thing has been sticking out, so like we know there's a rose thing in here.
It's
a
a
bag!
bag!
That's so cute! And it's lined. Okay, this is cute.
Red roses. I was gonna say it reminds me of Black Dahlia, but that doesn't make any sense at all.
It made me
because
think of
they're
Phantom of the
roses.
Opera, so.
I wonder if Matt's seen it.
I mean, I saw it, but I wasn't supposed to. I watched it when you and the McPeaks watched it.
Did I also let you watch Moulin Rouge when you were a child?
Yes!
Dang
No, it's good. You're part of why I am the way I am now.
I did not let you watch Rocky Horror Picture Film.
You
Rocky
did
Horror
not
Picture
let me watch
Show.
Rocky
Horror
Picture Show.
Amazing show.
Yeah. Didn't Mom watch that like
Yes, and
7
she-
times consecutively as a child?
No, she watched it. She said it was horrible. She told me never to watch it. So I went to Shelly's house and I watched it.
That sounds legit.
Whoops.
No, because I remember her telling me a story about like how her friends just kept going to see it one summer, like over and over and over and over again.
I can see it. It was so progressive for the time. Like, I'm
Yeah.
amazed it was made when it was. I want to watch it again and see how progressive I think it is now.
That'd be fun. That'd be fun.
Watch party!
We could actually. We could do that. We could do Cats the musical, but like the
Oh,
good
the
one.
original? Okay, yeah.
But no, we watched. We had to wait a year to like heal, and then watch the new one because like that was both of our like comfort movie.
Yes.
Like that was what we bonded over as children, and they killed it. So then we bonded over them killing.
Yeah, and then we just talked over it the whole time, and it was
Yeah.
great.
It was great. It was good. The ending, yeah, there was a lot.
Yeah.
There was a lot. Yeah. We have thoughts on that, but that's fine.
Watch it with wine.
This video is sponsored by wine.
Ooh! Ooh, there's your two. Are they
There's
headbands?
two. There's a Scream headband,
Oh my god.
and there's a. Is that Freddy Krueger? Okay.
Oh my gosh.
So like, if we ever decide to kill people,
Oh, I was thinking Karate Kid.
oh my god. Yes. Wait. I mean, we both chose violence, so there's that.
I mean, that was super fun though.
Yeah. I'm really impressed that your dog never interrupted us. She just chilled.
Oh yeah, she's just laying right there. She's probably mad at me because I won't let her on the couch.
Oh, poor baby.
Yep. Poor baby. Definitely not poor me.
That must suck.
It does. It does like match.
Fuck.
Yeah. My headshot now.
Christ.
No, it's like stomach. Okay, there we go.
Thank
I've
you.
got your face.
I don't want to
Fantastic.
do nothing to your Jesus.
It's like-
Christ, oh my God.
Don't want to do nothing to your Jesus? What is that? I'm sure we're fine. So thank you to Joce Boss Boutique for having this sale. I bought this. I'm not like a real influencer, so I bought this. Which is good. Go support small businesses.
Yes.
But yeah,
That was fun.
that was fun.
Thank you.
Oh, I should probably actually do my outro though.
Okay.
If you liked this video, be sure to like the video so more people like you can see it. And thank you for hanging out. And you are officially welcomed to hit the subscribe button and hang out. Yeah, do that. It's helpful. Bye, friends.
You're putting it on inside out.
Fantastic.
Pretty.
Yes. Brian! I have like really bad razor burn, but I don't
Oh,
want
same.
showing.
Same.
Vacation, just like quick shaving. Okay.
No, I tried to wax and that was probably a mistake.
For your first time right before vacation?
Yeah, yeah. Well, it was the sugar wax, which is not supposed to hurt, and I called BS on that because it freaking
Oh no,
hurt.
it still hurts, it just hurts less.
Yeah, I didn't bleed as much as the lady in the video, so that's a plus, I guess.
Oh, did you do like a big strip the first time? Oh no.
Oh no, I cried.
You have to do like
God.
tiny strips.
Well, I know that now! This is definitely what Ekans is supposed to look like. This fish here, definitely not gonna haunt my nightmares. Pikachu. Yup. Yup. That's definitely what Pikachu looks like. 100%. That's Pikachu. This guy right here, he's seen some things.